Balik up murder. Gusto sa aking alay. Rebound by number 9. It's stolen by Sosa. Now Mala. 4-3. Rebound by Gimao. Now the two number ones. Now the scoring machine comes in that pass to Gimao. To the right, that's good. First down by Christian Gimao for the keyboard rest. Assist by number 1, Tanserat. Sabaso, shot, Carval. Number 25, Mr. Ori, Palawan. First now by Bruce Sipao. First zero for number 18 is Goldberg. Zendra for Ragas now, let's do it. Now, Tanserat. That's just number 77. Rebound by Mara. Now, this was a assist by number 13. Now, Tanserat. Now, to number 94, Zabler. Now, Zabler. Rebound by Jetson. Behind the back pass to number 1. Now, 27. Rebound by number 1. Open dash to Mala to a jumper. Rebound and power. Fire number 94. Kennedy Sosa with his first personal foul, first team foul. Official score 8-2. Now once again, still by number 94. Sayang. Kala ko ayaw ni special na yun, sayang. Now, let's open the ball. Please, and pass to the last one. Oh, he's stolen and Dani Sosa. Oh, look at the player. 10-2 is the score. Now, 7 points. Ang grasa daw yung grabe naman yun. Hindi ka namin yung defender. Now, Tanserat. Now, 10-point lead. Now, Mr. Well, Pinoy still right there. Pinakipaan mo yan. Now, so Jules, the high ruler. We will stay on the rebound by the youngster. Now to the scoring machine. Now moving to the addition now. And then this is the score. 6-point lead. That's the switch para rebound by Malone. So only rebound control by number 25. Now the foul. This is better. Rebound is good. It's still 4-point lead for. Oh, it's still about that. I'll go down. That's the rule. On that, it's still about that son of that. That's the rule. House fast too. Oh, another girl said, we got it. So we got fast. Now come on in. That's rebound, the great God is. Wow, itu betul. Oh, bagi saya, rebound by. Ini kelas stolen by Mamadou. Almost still by 84. Now to be honest. Yeah, let's go. Now we see 2 points, assist by number 16 for that. Now to number Black shot, number 18. Black shot, Black shot. Now Barcelona. Now, foul. 17. Number 80. Musti. Nah, itu bahaya. Tidak bisa benar. Second bahaya ini good. Now to Mr. Hesi, passa na Gabriel, rebound by Now to Barcelona, William Hayata, bravo. Con il mandato passo la ribanda number 18. 5 points already for Muslim. Now, let's get shot, over, rebound by Giannis. Another, rebound by number 31. How about pass to another? Now, Barcelona. Quince di Castro, stiga. Barcelona, youngster, good jumper, rebound by 7-9. Recorded by number 33. Yes! Bingo! Shot clock is 2 seconds. Por el equipo 1. Avanzerà quello classe señores. La Torpolia sai servare la Torpolia. Gannato, ma tu cosa porti dopo? Rebound by Mercy. Shot clock 8 seconds. Now, as you see, another long bomb, double rebound by Brown. 4 rebounds by Kessel. Now, on the right, back to the line. For the first 2 points for the youngster. 4 points already. 24. 15. 15. Now the person is really still in my number 1. Now to the scoring machine, that's it out. Pass is still in the hoop. Jamel on the customer, on the house. Back to 7-point lead. Now, number 77. On the transfer, rebound by number 9. Point rebound here. Now, to the 23. Bravo, scoring machine na siya. 10 points for Pagulo. 22-17. Step na po para sa basan. Nakakusara to Jamel. Ganto lang. Rebound by Barnard to Marcalo. Ganto lang. Rebound by Jamel. Mga taas. Grabe, pangalas. Shot by myself, 7-point lead for equipo 1. Avanzará 2 seconds. And on the first quarter, the score is 24-17 in favor of equipo 1. Equipo 1, basketball. Gustosa from Perry, double rebound by Ortiz. Now Ortiz. Pass to the net, the student by number 6 Malay. Good. Third over. Good. Awas by number 9. Ball is stolen. By number 9. Only not hard. Rebound by here. Now to number 16. Number 2. 4 rebounds. 4 rebounds. Now to the top. Pass to number 33. Double rebound by number 7. Using his muscle. He has Mr. Tuyo. Oh, that is not by Esquida. We go again, 6 now to this. Now this pass to Son. Hesitation move. Really, blocked by the team, Briones. Now this. Got the rescue. Down to 3.3 for the equal in 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Now to the third. The pass turning this was a pass to number 1. Now to the third back to number 13. Briones jumper. You know, the rebound by Dimotao. Second rebound of the game. In the house. Down to 1 point lead. Ang hinahabol ng equipo. Now, Desosa. Pamatay sunod. Rebound Ortiz. Pass to number 1. Dimotao. Shot is good. Change keyboard. Now to Mara, back to number 94. Now to the pass to Mara, number 3 by Son. Now this. Really, very series. Pass to Briones. Block by 13. Now Mara. The shot shooting on now this was a very good. Sama sa highlight. Dimotao. Wala to this pull number. Hey, Briones. Now, step back move, by Son. Stolen by number 94, the blue. Now the blue. Pass number 13, and stolen by Esquida. Pass to number 6. Briones, thank you again in the house. Back to back. 14 years. Now 8 points already. 14 years. Now the pass to Esquida. 14 years to Esquida. Hesitation. Now to number 23. Esquida. One shot. Because of number 6. Now this was a pass number 6, 1 point, but still 1 point lead for the equipo. Plus 29-28. Second try, again now. Now this will be a rebound by Jerry Briones. Out to the pass to Desosa. Still elevation again. No good rebound by Son. Stolen by Desosa. What a pass. About to run. Still an assist. We change again. Change keyboard. Now Ortiz. Spin pass to Esquida. Rebound by Ortiz. Pass to Esquida. Change play again. Next five ready. Now Mara with a closer. So rebound by number 77. Out the pass number 16 Ortiz. All the way on goal. 3 number 16. Oh, rebound back up to Warda. Change tayo. 4 points. Now I think Cincinnati Bulls to West Studio. Now a 3-point lead for Tipo Test. Now good. Yeah, that's the way now. For 3, we got Marathon. Only before the 77. 6 rebounds for South. Now this all around for 3. We got Barisha. I'm going to take points again. Now number 11. Pass number 11 Moski. Shot. Double rebound by the youngster. 5 rebounds already for Mamaru. Now to Karan. Losing his buzzer. Blocked by number 5. Large defense by Jimmy. Now Janelle, let's try. That's the now let's try. Pass to Mercado. Pass to the guy. Shot for 8 seconds. Rebound by Gordon. Standado by Gordon. 5 rebounds already for Jessel, another boy. Now, Pasharan, is good. Now, a 5 lead for Equipo. Yes. Now, rebound. 6 rebounds for Jessel. Now, 2 of these. Now, Pasharan. Here's rebound by Ugasa. Now rebound by Sarah. 7 rebounds for number 77. Now number 8. Layout rebound by Gastelera. Gina. Pass number 25-32 is the score. Zero on this team. Now we put it on. That's number 16. Good. Now change favor. Not good. Now to the star, DJ Masu moving the ball. On number 25, Jessel Boyon doing his second personal foul. First in the only second shot now. Now to Castillo. Pass number 11. Mercado Barbino. Rebound by Mara. Foul on number 25, for which his 31st personal foul. Second team foul. First try for Mara. No good. Second try for Mara. Is good. Now a 2-point lead with 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining the first half. Now Solo pass to the Laboratory, now to the scoring machine. Considerar, back number 16 of this, shot down is 12 seconds. Now shot, oh, bounce pass number 1, now it's a pass to the score is dead at 37. Now to the square. Pass to Musti, back to the square style. Stolen by Sono. Now away, pass to number 16. 40, side step move, water rebound by Mahala. Bounce pass to Nagada, layup. Rebound by Parawan. 7 rebounds to the Parawan. Pass to Kanziran. Only 4 points already for the scoring machine. 89-27 is stolen by Kanziran. Pass to number 9, layup is good. Now 4-point period, what a swing. 6-1 for a people press. Now that's that. Okay, number rebound by Shah. Only blocked by number 9. Now to Ortiz. Shot by himself. Now Ortiz jump rebound by Delgado. Now to number 25. Shot by himself. 5 seconds. Just that. Shot. And at the first half, the official score 41-37 in favor of the people press. Number 1, the Peñas, Mr. Angel in the house. This is Denver, they are going to pick up by number 23, now Angela pass to the answer number 9, they are always good. Number 5-point lead, 6 assists for Spencer Crowder. To Nick Klaus. Rebound by number 13, rebound by the youngster. It's stolen by number 13. Rebound by thank you. 5 rebounds for Team US. Now number 1, Tumatawa. As number 6, recovered by number 6. Using his mother. Inside the base, still rebound by number 9. Over Johnson. Rebound by 5. 7 rebounds for number 9. Welcome to PS. Rebound by number 33, yes, 6 rebounds for Jerome. Stolen by Barney. So Kennedy Sosa. Number 3, rebound by Timothy. 8 rebound for Timothy. Now pass to number 9, now to number 1, Nikolai. Yes, good. Paki-paki po ang mga sado natin. Doon isa sa atang galing. Grabe! 15 games. 13 minutes. Hamas maya may ulera 14 games. Thank you again. Doon isa sa wala tayo sa lalo against Pinoy. Wow. First half good number. That's good. Second half good, let's no, rebound by the way is 8 rebound of the game. Now, Pinas, natang galing. Super Star was good. Walang goal. Michael Monster. Now, this Sosa. Looking good. Nice, rebound by Menace, not number 13, rebound by Menace. 7 rebounds, 14 Menace. Ali, for the governor. Now, Hanselan. Pass number 9, back to Hanselan. Oh, it was a super. Oh, you don't feel like a steal, but 94, I'm telling you. Already 8 steals for number 94 in that mirror. Now let's see that. Back to number 1. Coach number rebound by number 45. Now number 84. Another Jerry Leapa. 18 points, 80 steals. Now let's see that. Pass number 9. The foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul, second team foul. First team foul. First team foul, for number 6 is good. Now 19 points for Team Menace. 17 rather. Second try for Team Menace. It's good. Points for Team Menace. With 7 rebounds. Now by Nuno pass to Menace. It's stolen by Nuno. So it's the only number steal for this also. 9 steals. Oh, yeah, rebound by the Nuno. Still a 6-point lead for a keeper press. Pass number 9, pass number 1. Wait, 3 seconds behind. I'll go for the lead there. Now it's Umara. No pass to Barney. Oh, number 3. Rebound by Gupta. Oh, the pass number 6 against number 45. Gupta. 54-15 in favor of the People Press. With 5 minutes and 41 seconds. First try for Kulku is good. Now 19 points in his game. 8-0 is the game. Second try. No good. Rebound high. Orange boy. Still a 5-point lead. Next fight, Magbrady Laya. Now to this Sosa. Good shot by the Sosa. No, rebound by the youngster. 9 rebounds for number 8. Stolen by number 94. 10 steals of the game. 10 steals for the Sosa. Official score 55-50. Oh, the scoring machine. What's that? Zigzagging his way past the top. Rebound by number 45. Foul on number 9. Number 8. Vice President foul. Second team foul. Change by Kyle. Really, best player, Jermaine. To Janelle. Pass the really standing right. Give it out. Looking for Ortiz. Pass the one. What a pass by Ortiz. Second personal foul on this guy. 13 foul. One bonus winner for Christian. The Burger King. Give it out. Adesso devo fare la pasta. La posizione poi alla storia di sì. Scelto in storia loro. Si guarda Sara. La pasta. Our number 16. Charles Steven Ortiz commits his first personal foul. 13 foul. Janelle jump rebound. Nice 8 rebounds for the youngster. Ortiz. Hindi pwede yan. Pinagpabawal na yan. Rebound by Salap, 9 rebounds for Angel Gift Salap. Yung minsan lang daw yan? Nawis niya po. Uy! Nawis niya gaga! Wala! Uy! Nakakaya yung rebound na yan sa tapat. 7 rebounds, 6 points. Lewis there, pass number 11. Is good. Assist by Lewis. It's still 7-point lead. Only people this. Shut up. By Ortiz double. Pabol. Still by 20 with 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to the Stella. Alas by 20. Uisha! Lima by Stella. So by the player. Let's go by Ortiz. Now Ortiz. Pass to hesitation move. Uy, grabe! Kaya naisip nila, ayan na yung ulaan mo. Now, so Ortiz. Ortiz, now to Baron. You'll see this one. Ryan's to the one. Wow. 10. Steve. Same ball. Now it goes all along the rebound. Now they got rebound by this. 6 rebounds for Ortiz. Now rebound to the equipo. Uno more. Shara sa ating video quarter. Nalabas na quarter. Rebound by Estia. 8 rebounds for Dito mo. Nakapasagi na rin. Rebound by siya. Nakakuha mo yun. Uy, mayroon pa. Ayan, diba? Yang is good. The lead is Down to 3. With 1 minute and 25 seconds. Goal stolen from Chicago. Oh, 1 passing. Rebound by Power. 8 rebounds for Chester. What a move. No, that's it. I think we're seeing it. It's not there. Alright, fast. Oh, that's another game. Rebound by Salmon. 10 rebounds for the youngster. Now another basket. Now a 7-point lead, under 1 minute to lead. Now one more thing, Principe. Back to the basket. And for 1. Esquida. 9 rebounds for Oklahoma. Now in a single shot, cover, rebound, out of basket. It's stolen by a piece. Hesitation goes to the rebound by a multi Principe, one foul. And again, number 16. Color Spirit for this. This now the breeze. Second drive, good shot. This good. 65-61 is the official score. Now to the middle. Dimotao guilty in the block. Pass to number 2 down. Uy, dirty nila, grabe yun. Gusto na lang pa-interview. Shot na isa. Now pass to the middle. Now to Sarah. Jumper, rescue. Shot na isa. 9 seconds. Ito na. Uy, mga yes, wala ka niya. Ilang ba yung Sarah? At the pass to the stand. And with the bad button, official score 67-63 in favor of a people less. Number 3. For the Southwest Blue, down to 1 point lead. Now it's 21 points for the Sosa with 10 steals. Now, what's that shot clock is 6 seconds. Pass to Quinones. Block by number 6. Rebound by number 1. Shot number. Rebound. 11 seconds shot now. Now, once again, hesitation move. Pass number 25, goes to the number rebound down. Same ball. Pass number 11. Blocked by number 6. Now, to the number rebound by this guy. Now, huge ball. 68-67. 23 points for the Blur. Yeah. Now, pass number 9. Molly for the no good. Rebound by Sosa. 4 rebounds already. Offensive foul on number 11. Down. Time out. Now to Ortiz. Looking for the series. Ortiz fires at the ball. That's good. Ortiz 4-3. Now get that 17. Super 6 7 rebound by Mara. That's good. 72-17. What a tight ball game. Now, one alone, that's Snyder answers the three. Now change favor. The pass, I miss Snyder, that's in the way. Rebound by Esquida. 10 rebounds for Jerome. Woo, what a mix. Now here's another rebound by Aaron. Fire, it's good. Back to 3-point lead. Now, Chucky Nunes. Another rebound by number 6, Mara. 7 rebounds by Brendan Mara. Now, let's start. Another pass to Brendan. Yes, good. Official timeout. Score is 75-74 with 7 minutes and 1 second. Still a 1-point lead for the people there. Back to the ball game. Now to Ortiz. Another lead. No rebound by Ortiz. And one make for Yana. Now, ball splitter, ball number 16 in a high open. Rebound by Briones. Out the last two, pass to Mara, jumper, pass by number 11. To number 1. He's stolen by number 84, 11 steals. Change, 78-77. Now let's see that. And one number 6. Number 6, Mara. Goes to the ball number 23. On the rebound by Briones. Now to the player, Jimenez. Rebound number is good. Picture perfect jump shot for number 25. First 2 points out of the ball game. Now once again, another rebound. No good. Rebound highest. This was a shit. Now to the red bottle. That's Snyder, last 2 minutes. Higher you go jump shot. Yes, good. Now a 3-point lead for Okipono. Now to his jumper, rebound by Briones. Now this was 3. Well, lumayan sini kan dapat ini. What a revelation! Sergio is good. Now a 4-point lead for Equipo 1 in 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Now once again, pass to number 1, Gilpao. Inside back, almost a steal by Mara. Single. Shot down is 13 seconds.
Sakit ng baksak nun, no?
No?
Nice yun, no?
Ano namin? Baseball. Now, once again, pass to number one. Hindi mo tayo ng Bayern start. Out the first to the second. Leia is good. Now, 6-point. Now, number one, Pastor Yanes. Using his mother, got a foul. Number 13, Jake Leon. First try for KU. Pumasok. Relax. Tapos, parang pumasok. Second try for Team Yanes. Rebound para Team Yanes. Now to the player, Jimenez. Looking at that. Pass to the leader. Now to the Sasa. Rebound by Jimenez. 8 rebounds for TU. Now number 6. Using his mother. Shot over. Rebound by Lista. Now to the Sasa. The player. Waiting for his teammates. Still a 6-point lead. That is as an island to Mahalaman. Oh, good. Mahalaman is good. Really. Go to the back and Chirahan. Go good. We go back and Chirahan. Go good. We go back and Chirahan. Substitution. Please now. Ignorance. Using his mother. Shot is good against Lusky. Still a 6-point lead under 4 minutes remaining. Official score 87-22. 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Shot clock 1 seconds. That's the style. Second shot clock violation. He's blocked by number 5, number 6. Stolen by number 25. Oh, number 3 by Mara. On the first level, Grabe. Bonus try, rebound by Garcian. Stolen, rolling, nakakabiling. Online Largo. Now to Garcian. To the 7-point lead for Kisuno. Utah inside pass to 6 shot for the foul. On number 18 was sorry. First try for Team Yanes is no good. Second free throw for Team Yanes. Still a rebound by the number boy. 84. From the side, 6-0. Hesitation. Number 8 by Garcian. Stolen dynasty. Now it's number 25. We still at 1-point lead. Shot clock 16 seconds. Mosquito. Wow, 92-94. 25. 5 assists already. Napansinan. 40. Ayan na. Another answer. Still a 5-40.
Oh, lipa.
Almost a steal. Same ball. Now, so far. Shot by Mara. We got hard.
Uli.
The balls are ready for the snare. Second round skills. Challenge. Now, number 45. Pass another 11. Now, number 84. Milking the clock.
Taas nun ah.
Guys, down the pass to the net. Rebound by the Mariners. Rebound of the game. Shot clock, 6 seconds. Now, Sasa, Joga Lee, number 3 for 30 minutes. 9 rebounds, 5 defense. No press from Mazeran. 43, number 3 for 5 minutes, 10 rebounds. Shot, Joga Lee, that's the sound of the ball, good. What a ball game. Now, Sasa. They won the fresh championship for Martinia. Second try for the scoring machine. Considered. Iris wins. Score is plus 92. While this guy, last guy number 1. Has he continued? Shot clock is 17 seconds. But a foul. Foul number 30. First try for the winner is good. Second try for the Sasa. 2-1-2, now 2-19. 45 seconds to win. Penalty yan. Foul number 94. Kenneth De Sosa. First personal foul penalty. Now, 2 winners for the Lover Boy. First try. First try is good. Iba na inspired. Second try for the Lover Boy. Warning for penalty and warning for resolution. We level rebounds for Espida. Left alone. Shot clock is 60 seconds. Nagkado for the back. Quiñones. We have a rebounds. Now to Nacional. Coach Robert breaks. Shot clock is 16 seconds. We are go home. Nacional for three. De Sosa. 96-94. Shot, 10 seconds. Now to the slide. 30. What a timely lead for the Slayer. Zainal for the equipo 3. One escape win for equipo 1. What a tight game. Official score 97-96. The winner is the equipo 1.
Congratulations to our best players of the game, number 94, Kenneth De Sosa, with a double-double performance with 25 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 11 steals. And number 25, with the game winner, Jonel Musnay, 5 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. So guys, anong masasabi nyo sa naging game nyo ngayon sa intense matchup against Equipo 3?
Alam ko, natalo namin. Buti na lang, sa deserve din. Para sa Equipo.
Carmen today.
Sino sa tingin nyo magiging mabigat na kalaban nyo sa remaining games nyo? Ayun na, ikaw. Okay, so meron kayo shout out.
Shoutout po yung Daniel sa mga ibang kapatid ko sa Gary.
Okay, congratulations and God bless. See you next week.